Welcome, we got 24 hours in Lisbon. I'll show you top 5 things to do in Alfama. We're gonna start with the coffee and brunch spots. Number 1 on the list will be the Folks, which was founded in 2022, and they are amazing for brunch and coffee alike as well. The second coffee spot will be the Coffee. It's a very tech-savvy, very minimalistic coffee shop. Coffee, it's amazing. You can get batch coffee, which is filter coffee, or just regular coffee with milk. Third coffee location, it's called Copenhagen Coffee Lab, and it's right in the front at the bottom of the hill with plenty of seating. After filling up, take a walk over to Sé de Lisboa. It's the city's oldest church and an icon of Portuguese history. Don't miss the As Bifanas de Afonso, short walk from the cathedral. Known for its iconic pork sandwiches, this spot is a go-to for locals and tourists alike. Also down the road nearby, you will find Solar de Magdalena, another fantastic option for traditional Portuguese bites and bifanas. This will be my favorite spot because I have 2 dogs, and when I'm walking the dogs, I get a bifana and maybe some beer or a drink or a coffee. Altogether, probably €5, which is very cheap, but delicious food. You can say it's a snack. If by any chance you pass by Pingo Dolce, make sure you go in, get yourself some snacks. It's a grocery shop. As you know, Lisbon is very hilly, so you can get a tuk-tuk, they're not very expensive. Also, you can get tours with electric bikes, which I recommend. It's quite easy. To wrap up the day, head on to Lisbon's most beautiful viewpoints, Miradoro de São Vicente and Miradoro de Santa Luzia. This will offer a beautiful view across Alfama district, and it will be a nice ending to your 24 hours in Lisbon. Hope you like it, and see you next time.